Hello students, I am Anita, your science teacher, and today I will continue your chapter tissue. Today we will continue with animal tissue. Animal tissue has four types: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. First we will discuss the epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue, what is epithelial tissue? It covers outer surface. It covers the outer surface. And it also lined the organs. It made a covering around the organs, cavities, and other parts of a body. For example, where it covers heart, stomach, and lungs, the vessels of blood and lymph, and salivary and digestive glands. What is the main function of this epithelial tissue? It provides protection from injury and germs. The next one tissue is connective tissue. Connective tissue has further three types: connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and muscular tissue. First, we will discuss the types of connective tissue proper. There are four types of connective tissue proper: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, tendon, and ligament. First of all, what is the function of connective tissue? Connective tissue, it is a supporting tissue and it connect and bind various structures of the body. It also provide protection. Now, the types of connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper, it supports and surrounds the organs of body. Under this connective tissue proper, the first type is areolar tissue. Areolar tissue, it is made up of protein fibers such as collagen and elastin cells. And these collagen and elastin cells, these are known as fibroblasts. It form areolar tissue. It form continuous layer under the skin. Under the skin, this areolar tissue form continuous layer. What is the main function of this areolar tissue? It packs space between various organs and keep organs in place. Second one is adipose tissue. It made up of fat cells, and these fat cells, these are known as adipocytes. This tissue present under the skin around heart, kidney, and joints, and in bone marrow. What is the main function of this adipose tissue? It also protect from injury and insulate body against cold. The third one is tendon. Tendon, what is tendon? It is made up of fibrous tissue, fibrous connective tissue, and this fibrous connective tissue that is made up of collagen fibers. This tendon has little elastin. And what is tendon? It attaches muscle to bone. Remember, tendon attaches muscle to bone and it has little elastin. What is the main function of this tendon? It helps in the movement. It helps in the movement by transmitting the force of contraction between muscle and bone. Because tendon, it is found between muscle and bone, so it provides force of contraction between muscle and bone. It also present in eyeball. The last one is ligament. Ligament, it also forms from the bands of fibrous connective tissue. It has more elastin. Tendon has less elastin and ligament has more elastin. It is more flexible than tendon. And in ligament, it joins bone together. Remember, it joins bone together, and tendon joins muscle to bone. What is the main function of ligament? It support and stabilize joints, and it prevent movement that may be damaging. This is all about the connective tissue proper: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, tendon, and ligament. In the next lecture, we will discuss the skeletal tissue, vascular tissue, and rest of the chapter. Thank you.